Hello, I'm Dr. Preeti. I am gynecologist and welcome to Pretty Women's Talk with Dr. Preeti. Topic is again something which is very important and not very much discussed, that is human papilloma virus or HPV virus. As we know that this virus spreads by sexual contact and also it spreads by skin to skin contact of the genital area. There are around 100 types of HPV viruses and some of them cause what? They cause different types of cancers like cervical cancer, vaginal cancer, vulval cancer, anal cancer and sometimes even head and neck cancer. This virus, it happens to occur in many women and men because of the sexual exposure and is most of the times asymptomatic, so it doesn't cause any symptoms and it gets resolved in 2 years. So there is no treatment required if there is HPV virus there. Treatment is required only when it causes problems. It's really important to protect yourself from this infection, and that can be done by 2 methods. One is using barrier contraception every time you have sexual contact. And the second one, which is very popular and nowadays taking a lot of headlines, that is HPV vaccine. HPV vaccine comes in 2 varieties. One is Gardasil and one is Cervarix. Gardasil will protect you against 4 types of viruses, 6, 11, 16 and 18. So it will also give some protection against the wart as well as the cancer type of HPV viruses. Whereas Cervarix will protect against the viruses of 16 and 18, which are main viruses to cause cervical cancer. This HPV vaccine is to be taken by girls and boys from the age of 12 to 13 till the age of 25 before sexual exposure. Because once you are exposed to the HPV virus, there is a very less chance that this vaccine can protect you against that infection. But if you come to know about the vaccine after the exposure is already happened, it is still okay to take the vaccine because it hardly has any side effects. But nobody can ensure you that this vaccine will protect you against the infection after the exposure. Taking a vaccine doesn't mean that you can skip the cervical screening. It's really important to undergo cervical screening, that is called as pap smear very popularly, to prevent this cancer. It's a test to see if there are any cancer changes in your cervical cells. It needs to be done from 25 years of age till 50 years of age every 3 yearly, and from 50 years to 65 years every 5 yearly. The vaccine will give you protection for around 10 years from these varieties. This vaccine is given as intramuscular injection in your arm and it is given in 2 doses. If you take the first dose today, another dose is to be taken within 6 to 12 months from that. If your age is more than 15, you need to take 3 doses. I will say, keep yourself safe and protect yourself from all the types of infections as much as possible. I hope this video has helped you to clear many doubts related to the HPV virus and the vaccine. Hope to see you next time with another important topic. See you on Pretty Women's Talk with Dr. Preeti. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel to get notifications. Thank you very much.